So welcome coders to the stream where we will help you achieve your dream. It's all about that JavaScript, make your revenue more dynamic, yeah. Learn, earn and produce, put the Jamstack to good use. Captain Purple, your streaming hero.
Good morning everyone, and good day for those of you who are not morning, and good night for those of you who are getting ready to go to sleep. How is everyone doing today? Do you like the intro? Okay, dokie. I took a bit longer to get started today because I prepared the intro and everything. Hello, Design Studio. How are you today? And I also have another fancy surprise for you. Let me do this here. Do you have a girlfriend? I don't. How is everyone doing today? Hello, Abhishek. Did I say your name correctly? Okay. Let me pour some LiFePO liquid. And then I'm going to show you what I discovered today. I'm good, dude. How are you? Adrian! Cheers with some Life Liquid. That was good. All right. Are you ready to see what I discovered today? Are you ready? Look at this. Are you ready? This is like magic. Let me see if it says it. Or we can do this. Come on. Yes. Okay. Or I can do this, a simple one. Or I can do this. How cool is that? Or I can do this. Wait, like this. Okay. Or this. Yeah, this. I think I did. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, groundbreaking code info for sure. No, I discovered this. Yeah, it probably doesn't see because of my mic. That's cool. Coolio. All right. And and I also have 4 scenes compared to yesterday where I had 2. We have the start, the desktop, the face. So I keep inventing things. By the way, I think I can cut. What's that? Let's see. Oh, no. Fade. Okay, yeah. So I keep not inventing, like I keep figuring things out to make the stream quality better and have more fun, presumably. All right. Can you do this? Not sure. I think there are 8 reactions. Let's make something with 3GS. Ooh. At first, we'll have to learn it. But that's a good topic. That's a good topic we can get into. I don't know. What does it mean? Or am I allowed to ask? Let's build and learn Next.js. Ooh, yeah, Next.js, cool. This is so basically today in the stream, it will be more relaxing. And what I want to do is to like plan next week. And so my goal with the stream, I was thinking yesterday, like, what do I want to do during the streams and stuff? So I want to learn things and hang out with the chat. And basically we'll learn together, right? By building stuff. So that's the sort of the mantra of the stream. So we learn things together and we build things together and we hang out and have fun. That's sort of what I'd like to have this be about. It's not really about me teaching stuff, although, well, I know my way around things. It's more about figuring things out as we go. And on the long term, I would like to get to a phase where we can build many things. Probably I would like to get into the indie hacking space where we build things and try to monetize it. So we try to find ways to make money with code, because like I'm passionate about code and I'm passionate about the business side of it, you know, but I still feel like I need to learn from both. Money, yeah. So it's not necessarily about like making a ton of money. It's just about, all right, let's see how we can bring value. Like, how can we become better at what we do so that we can bring more value, which will result in more money, you know? And of course, I also have to pay salaries and, well, my lifestyle and stuff. So money helps, right? As I'm sure all of you need that, right? So that's kind of like how I see it. Learning, building, having fun, making money. Learn, build, fun, money. At some point. But for that, what we'll have to do, because there are so many things you can learn, right? So you kind of have to have a plan, like which directions do you want to go? Because again, there are like just so many. As someone mentioned in the chat, we can learn Three.js. All right, what do you do with Three.js? Well, you can build very cool 3D stuff, right? But do you go into building 3D websites where, I don't know, cool landing pages for some stuff? Or do you go into building 3D games? Or like, what's the end result, you know? What's your build order when you start coding a large project? I know it depends on the project, but what steps do you usually follow regardless of the project? That's a good question. By the way, thank you, Khan. Let me move this a bit, just a second, so I can see better. Thank you, Khan, for follow, and Giordano. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, so about building a bigger project. Let's say iCodeS here. I'm going to show iCodeS, which is probably the biggest project I built from scratch. I worked in a much bigger project when I was in a job, but yeah, iCodeS is definitely a big project. It has many moving pieces, even though you might not see them initially, but yeah. So how I approached this, I'm going to give this example because it's closer to, yeah, you can call it time frame, closer to like recent times, whatever. Thank you, Roland, for the follow. So basically, I started with an MVP. Like I was thinking, all right, what would be the minimum viable product that's MVP for that I need? So what features do I need to be able to launch this? All right. So what's the goal of the project? See, we're going back to what do we want to learn? What's the goal of it, right? So kind of everything revolves around that to like figure out, okay, I want to learn this to do this, you know? So once I had the idea that, all right, I have design files and I want people to turn them into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in order to practice. So what do I need? Well, the simplest way was to just post the images on Twitter and ask people to code them, right? That was the simplest way to test the idea, to see if people were interested. And let me go to this video. By the way, for those who haven't seen it, it's on my YouTube channel. But basically, let's see, I have, yeah. Go away, you ugly people. All right. So this is it. This is the MVP, this part here. See, it's a tweet I posted with the design. And I asked, can you code this? And look, it got 21 people who did it, 172 likes. So for me, this was sort of a like testing, will this work? And yeah, it worked. And then the next stage was, all right, I would like to have a website, because right now everyone was coding whatever they wanted, but I would like to have a website where we can like store all of this. So then I started building the website. Let's see, do I have a photo here? I think I have somewhere. I don't know. Maybe I don't. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. So this was the website. So I just built the front end, and we had a little database where people could submit. I think it was just the URL back then, and then we added likes, and then we added what was next. So we had likes, and we allowed people to share it. So we kept adding features as we went, I guess. Yeah, so that's kind of like how I would approach building a bigger project. And then when I saw that, all right, this has potential, let's build it into something bigger, then we sat down and discussed, all right, we want this feature and this feature and this feature, and slowly added it to the platform. So right now we have a calendar, which where you can find all the projects. We have daily challenges, we have filtering, we have difficulties, we have pro challenges, we have custom projects, we have different modes, there are courses. Well, right now just one. We're going to add another one next week. We have a blog, there's a leaderboard, there's a roadmap, there are pro tiers, and like, you know, slowly working up towards like the goal you want. It's not easy. I mean, especially doing it in the beginning, it won't be easy. You'll fail. We failed. We tried, for example, a subscription model, didn't work. Went back to one-time payments. Those work well. So, you know, yeah. So that's kind of, hope it was a long answer. Hope it helped. But yeah, and of course, it helps very much to like Let me see. So uh, it helps to have the basics, right? Thank you for the follow, Nivelis. It helps to have the basics, right? So I didn't need to spend 10 weeks to build this calendar. It took me a day because I built a calendar like this before, right? I didn't need, I don't know, I don't remember if I did this or Adrian, but let's just assume I did it. Because all of these, so if you look at this website, right, you can break it down. So this is a component, this is a component, this is a component, it's all components. And guess what? What do we learn on iCodeThis is to build components like this, right? So it's all about building components like this. Small, big, it's all about this. So if you build these projects one day at a time, you'll get experience, and eventually you'll learn how to combine them into a bigger project. Of course, then you have to learn new skills, like, okay, how do I make it work? I don't know. How do I make the CSS work on 10 custom components instead of just one? So you'll have to think in a bigger picture, right? But yeah. It has more programming languages. No, so right now on iCodeThis you have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and anything that goes on the front end. So you can use Vue, you can use Alpine, you can even use React, although we don't have text highlighting for that right now. But we have in plan to allow people to use even more things. I would like at some point to have bigger projects. So people could use Next.js to build it and stuff. So yeah. Slade is asking, should I develop my backend using Next.js or should I keep it separate? I like Next.js. Again, when it comes to what programming languages should you use, what frameworks, whatever, honestly, it comes down to what you like, what you're good at. Because at the end of the day, we built this with Next.js, all right? So, do you care as the user of the website? Do you care what I use to build it? Do you care that it uses Supabase and Prisma and TypeScript and Tailwind CSS for styling? Do you care? You don't. You don't care. You just want a project. You just want to be able to use the website to solve your own problem. So, yeah, I mean, the only thing that cares is performance. Yeah, but in most tooling these days, you have decent performance. Okay? So it's just us developers who like to fight about which framework is the best, because I don't know, this framework is 10% faster than that framework, but the user doesn't care that much about that, So yeah, it's just that. Yeah, I honestly haven't used Server Actions and App Router so far. But I'd like to try that to see what is it about. I just saw people talk about it. Yeah, so again, what is your goal? What do you want to do as a programmer? What do you want to build? I don't know. Who do you want to serve? What problems do you want to solve? That's all that comes to it, If you, I don't know, want to always be up with the latest technologies, sure, you'll just jump from one framework to another because they keep evolving and stuff. But there are several people that I know who uses old tech, something like PHP and jQuery, and they just focus on providing value to their customers and making money. So then, all right, you might be using the latest framework, but they might be just doing a better job at using the tech to solve problems, right? So what's the end goal? That's my question. What do you want to do? So going back to that, what's my end goal? Which also, goals can change. You could have some goals today, and then 3 months from now, you realize that maybe that's not for you. So that's perfectly fine. You don't have to stick with things for life. We change, we learn, we evolve, like Pikachu. But yeah, right now for me, what I think I want, and this might change, so don't quote me on this. But basically, I want to learn how to build things faster. And by things, I mean more complicated apps. So right now, I'm very confident in building front-end things like UI elements. I can, give me something, I can build it. What I want is to go to the next level and be able to build full stack apps, I guess, with authentication, database interaction, and payments and all. So I want to build apps that are ready to go. Blade says that I want to build a workout tracker website. So now I am deciding what should I build it with. Yeah. What technologies do you usually use on a regular basis? React, Node. Yeah. Oh, to use those. I might use Next because I know that. I would like to learn other things to see how those compare. But that's mostly for kind of for fun and for me to like try new things. Like I would like to try Svelte. I've heard good things about it, never tried it. There was Astro. Yeah, Astro. I would like to try that as well. I've heard good things about it. Never tried it. So yeah. And of course, like that's the benefit of me you doing that during stream, because you also learn while I learn. So can I use Next Auth with Express? I'm not sure. Whenever I want to use Auth, I just go to something like AppWrite, or I think I used Auth 0 in the past, Supabase, but yeah, just I use something that can give me Auth very fast, so that I don't have to worry about that too much. What backend courses do you recommend for it? Good question. I honestly don't know that much. I've heard about this boot.dev thing. I saw Prime will make a course on it, so it's probably good. I don't know. I can't know for sure. I like Frontend Mentor, Frontend Mentor as well, but Frontend Masters for courses. So I like this, and they have I think they have like backend stuff as well. Courses. Let's see. Do they have? Where can I search here? Next.js. Yeah, Next.js. Oh yeah, they're mostly front end, but right now I'm watching. Where is it? From Prime, I'm watching the course. The last algorithm course you need. It's 9 hours. It's a long one. Have you tried Svelte? No, haven't. Hey, my love. How are you? Everyone, say hi in the chat for my wife. She popped by. Because she's a pop. She popped by. Yeah, Pre-Code Camp is good, but what's their curriculum nowadays? Pre-Code Camp. Let's see. Do they have backend stuff? Rosvita, hi. Where's the curriculum? So we have responsive web design, JavaScript, front-end, data visualization, backend development, okay. Quality assurance, Python, machine learning, Python. Yeah, so I think this is the one, backend. What this teaches? I think the same, like NPM, Node, Express, Mongo. Yeah, I did this in the past. So yeah, those are good too. Although I don't know if I would. Maybe because I don't know. For backend, I would probably go with Next. Why? I don't know. It kind of feels easier to connect things with React. Everything is React, so I like that. All right, good. So, I would like to make the plan for next week. Let me do this a bit because I want to change the next week. By the way, we're going to be streaming in the afternoon, so just keep that in mind. It will, right now it's 11 a.m, so I'll be streaming at 4 p.m, so like 5 hours from now. I want to try streaming in the afternoon because if I stream in the morning, I'm just like super tired afterwards and I can't do much. So I would like to work in the morning on other things and then just stream for fun in the afternoon. What about Udemy courses? Yeah, I guess you can find Udemy courses that are good. I have a bunch there which I bought like years ago, never finished them. So at the end of the day, it's not about like what courses, like, no. At the end of the day, it's not about which courses you follow. It's about like following through and building stuff from the course so you actually learn something. Because if you buy 100 courses, you'll not be smarter unless you finish the courses, and you actually build something with it. So it's all about practicing. We can clip that. Can I clip that? How do I clip that? Can I say clip? Unrecognized comment. All right. Never mind. Yeah, I need to start clipping things whenever I say something that looks so smart because I want to post it on socials. So whenever you hear me say something smart or even stupid, just like clip it, send it to me. All right, so I want to go to Twitch. Just a second, I'll move it back. I want to see where is the I forgot, how is it called? Like the Blunderfly. How do you call it? Like the not planner, scheduler stuff. Where do I found it? Schedule. Where is it? I can find it. Streaming tools, or do I go to my profile and I have to mute myself, and then there's the okay, I have a schedule here, but it's not bueno. All right, yeah, so I'll do that after. Whatever, sorry about that. Thank you for clippy. Okay, yeah, let's go back here. Thank you, appreciate it. Hi coders, Diego, how are you? Hello. Okay, so for next week, we'll probably have 5 streams. And I would like to kind of, I don't know, plan those streams more or less. Have you tried Vue Transitions API? No, but I have an article somewhere saved that I'll need to go over. That's yeah, that's a good suggestion. Let me maybe go Docs, Google. By the way, I don't want to dock myself. Oh, it's Google with 2 O's, not 3. Sorry about that. Okay, new document. Can I make it like dark mode so I page setup? Background color, black. Ew, that's not good. How do I view? I don't know how to make it dark mode. I saw someone using dark mode. I don't know, look at that. Ah! Tools, format, insert, view, mode, comments, no. Edit, file. What is dark mode? Why do they have dark mode? Your eyes. Yeah, especially since you're going to sleep soon. Not anymore. Alright, let me go to Notion, I guess. Notion. Just give me a second. Please, Estrella. Ah. So funny. Like that. Okay. Let me create another page and then streaming, planning. Can I like turn this? Turn into page. Okay, good. And I can do that. All right, good. And we can use this. All good now. All right, so next week we'll have Monday. What's the date? Like 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 February. Where am I from? I am from Romania. So here we can also like ideas for content, and you can let me know what you like me to do. So keep in mind, we want to learn stuff by building stuff and having fun stuff. You know, it's all about stuff. I'll learn by building and having fun. So that's like the motto. So I'm not going to be here teaching you stuff. We're going to learn together. All right. And I have ideas of like, maybe we can find some articles we can read, like tutorials we can follow to build something out of them. You know, it's all about building and learning and having fun. Can you speak Romanian? I think I can. So that's the motto. Learn by, okay. So yeah, we can, someone mentioned Vue transition, CSS Vue transition. Okay. Also next week, we're going to have make me functional challenges. I'm going to spoiler it a bit. But yeah, next week we'll have sort of an event where every day we'll launch a new Make Me Functional coding challenge. here in iCodes, and it will be free for 1 day for everyone to try. And I'm going to go live and maybe build those. That could be something we do during the streams. I guess this doesn't needs to be that big. Like that. Or like just like this. How do you say 12th or 12th? I don't know. Okay, then we have Tuesday, 13th, 30th, something, or is it 13th? My English is so good. 12th, okay. Yeah. So then we have Wednesday, 14th, and then Thursday, 15th, and then Friday. Friday I might, yeah, we'll have to see. I might do an early stream. Don't pronounce the F. 12th. Thank you. See, I'm learning English. That's a plus. Okay, so here we might have like 5 things to do next week, which is cool. I'll need to look. Yeah, I need to look what we're going to launch. What about learning Espanol? That could be fun. I would like to do that. Right now, I need. Oh, 6th. Yeah, this is my father's birthday. Father birthday. Don't forget. Also, when it's Valentine's, can we build something for Valentine's? All right, fathers. Do you live in Romania? Yes. Currently. So Wednesday. This is Valentine's. Like this, or just with an S? I think it's like this. What do you look, father? All right, sure. Okay, so can we build something for Valentine's? Some Valentine's project. We also need to finish the circle shooter game. For those, yeah. We started working on some game. Not sure if you saw it, but yeah. And I would like to add leaderboard to the typing game. Love calculator. What's that? So yeah. See, there are many things, and then we'll split it in like days. Let me show you the This is the app we built yesterday. Let's see, how fast can you type? Can you do a monkey type test? What's your VPN? The word per minute? I don't know, like 90 something. Very not so fast. So this is Type Alphabet Vercel app. Are you Indian? I can be whatever you want, but no, I'm not. Yeah, so this basically is like how fast can you type ABCDEFG through Z. Yesterday I did it in 4 seconds and something. Let's see, can I do it again? Okay. I wrote it up there. You have to write it here. Yay! All right, that was a failure. This is called how to fail at your own game. All right, let's see. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X. 476. All right. All right. Almost. Where's my? It's how do you pronounce that N? A B C D E F G A J K L M N O P Q R S T U V. Okay, so A B C D E F G I J K L M N O P Q R S. Where's R? R Q. Okay. A B C D E F G I J K L M N O P. I messed it up. Nye. Okay. Nunya. Okay, I got it faster, but I still mess up some letters. Damn it. So hard. How fast can you do it? Nepal. Nice. New. Something like that. Not important. Okay, if you say so. Why am I so obsessed about this game? Alright. I can do it faster. I'm too slow. Okay, good. No, I never been to Nepal. Iran. Nice. You like talking about programming but don't know much about. You can learn. It's not a problem. Just join the streams and we'll learn together. And if you want to practice, go to iCodeS.com. It's a great way to practice. This is like a shameless plug. It's not too shameless, but yeah. We built it with tears and sweating and stuff. Okay, good. So, what else would you like to learn? Let me know so we can write it down. By the way, I have a document. I learned a lot from your JavaScript mastery. I think you got the wrong channel. Not JavaScript mastery. Ooh, Rosvita, that's a fun, the fun one. Okay, I still have this. Where we wrote some ideas. Yeah, that we can use those as well. A quiz app. That will be a nice one. 10 projects 1 hour. Yeah, I built that. So combining the math game and typing game. Del Void, hey cutie, how are you? My good old friend. Mihai, you're late to the party. What happened? You were in a meeting again? How are you, Del Void? I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, so typing club for falling words. Yeah, I need to use the bathroom really quick. But think about what do you want to learn? And also what we should build to learn that thing. Okay? And I'll be back soon. I'm good too. I'll be back in a second. We can chat after. we could learn some testing, like Jest or React testing library. I mean, not that. No. Yeah, that's not that fun, to be honest. Maybe at some point in the future. All right, be right back. Think of things you want to learn. All right, I'm back. Okay, Rosvita is into something, so the speed of falling will be increased slightly by the number of rightly typed words. Hey, 2020, how are you? Good morning. The tab was hidden and I scared you. Hey, Mr. X. I'm good. I'm trying to plan the streams for next week so that we have a better idea of what we'll do. Also, I saw that on YouTube there are popular days like build a website, HTML, CSS. I mean, yeah, sort of popular. Look, 800,000 views, 3 million views, what? 6 million views. See? And I would like to build such a website. Any project using AI. Ooh, AI project. For OpenAI, we might need to, to not allow people to use the OpenAI thingy. So a full a landing page. Also, so this add the leaderboard to typing game. Apprite. I want to use Apprite to this. Learn about CSS view transitions, making functional challenges. Here we have 5 potentially. AppWrite. AppWrite is a tool. Let me show you. AppWrite is like a team of hundreds, apparently. So it's an open source platform that lets you add authentication, database function, and storage to your products. That's pretty cool. Let me change that song. I don't like it. Yeah, we used it once. I want to use it more to learn more about how to use it. Maybe we'll there's also we could convert the user suggestion app to Vite plus React plus. Infinite scroll. Yeah, that's a good idea. Infinite scroll. Yeah, this is actually like not too hard. Yeah, Mihai. Vite plus React. Also, Mihai, can I tell about your tool? Build something with... You remember the thing that I asked you to do? What? I don't. So build something with Mihai's tool. An item filtering tabs with JavaScript. What do you mean? Give me more context. Oh, the top bar that shows how much you progressed in the page. Yeah. You're live on Twitch too after 3 days, I finally realized. Yes, I stream on Twitch and YouTube. Thank you for the follow. Oh, I think I mentioned Roland and Snivelius. Yes, so that's it. Okay, yeah. Supabase, Prisma, Stripe, Next template. What do you think about TypeScript? It's a tricky one because last time I was asked about TypeScript on stream, I said TypeScript. But since then I used it, and I like it. It's fine. I also need to learn. Let's put this into categories. So learn. We need to learn. Well, I need to learn CSS view transitions. How to set up TypeScript in a project. Also maybe also in a React project. I don't know this. I need to learn it. Okay. Then let's put this will be in the build section. This will be into complete challenges. So this will go there. And can I move this? Ugh. All right, so this will be build, and then we'll have a finish building or improve, and then finish building. So we'll have different categories, and then we can drop things into it. So we can build a Valentine project. We can finish the circle shooter. We can improve the leaderboard. Well, improve the typing game by adding a leaderboard. This will be with AppWrite. Okay. Convert is okay. So this is like, also I need to learn how to set up Vite plus React plus. Keep saying plus, whatever. And we'll also have testing. Or no, building. Let's put this into building. Build something with Mihai's tool. Here we'll have to figure out what, because this will be like with payment and all everything. So this will be like a full stack app ready to make money like this. Lots of money. Okay. Then build a landing page. Build infinite scroll. Oops. There. Okay, convert user. Okay, this is more like improve. Okay, look at that. See? We're very, I like that. Very, how to set? No, setup. Oops. Just let me use setup. Dismiss. You're dismissed, Grammarly. So whenever I visit GitHub, I get a Google error saying your connection is not private and stuff that it can steal my passwords. I don't know. How do I fix that? That doesn't seem like a GitHub link. Are you sure you're going on GitHub? Okay. Maybe daily plan or something like that. All right, chat. What else would you like to learn? What else would you like to build? And yeah, finish building, improving, stuff like that. We can put it all here and then we'll select 5 or so for next week. We'll try to do that. I feel like if we plan this out, it will be more fun. Also for people, they'll know, okay, let's tune into this because of that. And I might, yeah. Keep in mind that next week I'll stream in the afternoon, not in the morning. So that will be a few hours later. Okay, so let's see. If I go here in the tab, by the way, this is daily dev. There are a bunch of things like Astro, learn Astro. Mihai, your tool, yeah, we have a bunch of things there. Where is it here? So learn, I can put it here. Astro, Svelte, HTMX. I've heard my name. Yeah. So in your tool thingy, you also have Astro, right? And Remix. Although Remix is like, what's Remix? Build better websites, but it's focused on web standards. So is it like, is React or not React, or like, I don't know. Or this is Radix. No. Basically something like Next with React. No problems. I'm new to web pages. I've never used the framework. Can you recommend something, or should I just try to do projects next week? Yes, building projects is the way to go. But if you like, do you know your way around HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? If you know your way around that, you can get into something like React. And okay, Astro will be perfect for you. I can't say because I haven't used it, so yeah. Learn how to scrape web page and get data from. Yeah, I know how to do that. Let's figure out something to build with it, because you're using Puppeteer or something. So Rosvita, think about something we could build, like scraping something to do something, you know? We could, I don't know, scrape YouTube to get the most viewed videos on some certain topics, or, you know, or scraping I code this, or I don't know. I don't know where to put that, but yeah. Scrape some page with dictionary. Scrape you to get the comments from your videos. and use it in the typing game. Um, although I get where that comes from, honestly, for something like that, you'd rather use an API that already has, you'd use an API for the dictionary. So scraping usually goes for something like, I don't know, scraping Amazon to get you pricing or stuff, or I don't know, scraping Twitter. We also have to figure out like how legal all of that is. See? Scrape you to get the comments. Yeah, again, like there with scraping, you can kind of use their API, right? They use the YouTube API. So yeah. Most of the big projects, they have you could scrape the iCode's blog. Yeah, you could do that. Although we could also could allow the API to be read. You will figure something out. Yeah, so scraping. You can look into Mihai, what did you we started with Puppeteer and then we moved to, what was it? I forgot the other one. Puppeteer similar. I don't know. Or let's try web scraping JavaScript. This is Puppeteer. Puppeteer again. What was it? Yeah, you left again. We're using something else now. JavaScript and Selenium. I don't know about that. Okay, let's see. 6 libraries. So Access and Zero, Puppeteer, Selenium, Playwright. Yeah. So this one. Basically how this works, it's not it's not very complex. Basically what they do is they launch a Chromium browser behind the scenes, and there you can pretty much navigate on the page. So you await and you go to a new page, and then you go to some URL if you want, and then there you can look up the tags on the page. So do you want the images on the page? You get their attributes. Do you want, so basically like navigating through their DOM. Thank you for the follow, Ruhandb. Puppeteer I think is better because waits.js runs. They're both, as you can see, it uses a wait. So yeah, they're kind of waiting because these return promises. So yeah. Boy, kind of sleepy. So that's the gist of it. You have to learn their syntax, I guess, and then you just like scrape things. Or it's not too hard once you get the gist of it, especially if you know how to work with the DOM. Then you'll figure out the methods you have to use, and yeah. Okay, so congratulations, animation with JavaScript. What's this? Oh, okay. We have that. Choo! I can do that as well. See? Very fun. Spiritual Journal. Hey, we missed you. Where have you been? I think you missed yesterday, right? Maybe I'm wrong. I'm good. Just planning planning some content for next week. I want to be more prepared to what to do. We also did this. It was very fun to do. Your daughter likes the confetti trick. Let me give her another one. Hey! Thank you for the follow, Galahand. You could use Natural.js to analyze YouTube comments emotions. Ooh, that's going into like more complex things. I like that. I like the outside of the box thinking. Ooh, like imagine if we build an app where like we build a scraper that gets the comments of a video and then uses Natural.js to analyze the emotion and then scores the video based on that. Ooh, I like that idea. Anything else we could add there? So use scrape YouTube videos and analyze comments emotions with Natural.js. I have to figure out what's this Natural.js thingy. Natural.js. Okay, how do I use it? Examples, installation. So we import it like that. We need to use a tokenizer. You only have to include the module you're using. Okay, TypeScript, tokenizers. So my dog hasn't any fleas. What? So how does it work? What backend courses do you recommend? I don't know. Learn Next.js, I guess. Hello. I had some things to take care of. Yeah, you missed a bit, but don't worry. By the way, next week, just so you know, we're going to stream in the afternoon, so... Hey, Mirino. Damn it, I missed. Mirino, how are you? Can we learn at AWS? I'm not that fat, but thank you for the compliment. AWS, huh? I don't... Yeah. That's a deep one. I don't know if I can do that easily. So, how do I use this? Seems complicated. Let's see. Go back. Oh, Node.js. Doesn't... Wait. Let's build another SaaS product. Ooh, give me an idea for a SaaS product then. We can try. Web crawler sentiment. So someone built this already? Yeah. It's sentiment as a Portuguese. Okay. What's this? What are those? What's this? What's that? See, a lot of things we need to figure out. What are those? What are those? A Node.js project that uses Puppeteer network to analyze sentiment about 2022 Brazilian presidential candidates. Ooh, wow. Mihai says, I do not understand how JavaScript functions, args, and params work and functions will return. I know that you are building apps with JS. Can those videos help me understand? Yes. If you watch my JavaScript videos, you'll learn roughly how to use JavaScript. I don't have a JavaScript course yet, which will teach you the basics, but we'll have in the future. Probably. Yeah, so this is like stuff beyond my comprehension, you know? But it's a good idea. I need to just figure out how this library works. Yeah, so we can build a SaaS with Mihai's tool. I mean, sort of like a SaaS because it's with one-time payments. And we'll have to study the tool. But yeah, I think right now we kind of have content for the next week. Let's figure out what Valentine project should we build. Something fun. We could be like a website where people can enter the... Nah. React and Astro, thanks. Yeah, those are cool. Valentine, maybe... Let's see. JavaScript, Valentine, projects. Code Your Love, 5 unique programming ideas. Okay. From Sahab Hassan. Creating a personalized love theme website, writing a love letter in code, building a Valentine's Day game. Using Unity. What? Creating a custom chatbot, building a personalized gift. These are very... Let's see, Penstag with Valentine. Okay, so heart. What happens if I click it? Click me. Hey, look at that. I love you, baby. That's nice. I like this. It's cheesy. Valentine beer. And it's built with only HTML and CSS. Nice. Cutie. Cutie pie. Valentine card flip. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Can I put it in the envelope? I can't. Okay. Remember not to eat too much candy. You're so sweet already. That's cool. I remember someone on Twitter building some Valentine app. It was very popular. So yeah, we'll have to find something cheesy. All right. So we have plenty of ideas on what to do next week. By the way, on Tuesday, I'll have Francisco joins stream. I need to invite him. Can you read my last comment 3-4 messages ago? I already did. And yeah. So basically you can use my videos to learn JavaScript, but for basic JavaScript things that you seem that you need, you might want to look into a crash course on JavaScript to learn the basics of functions, variables, parameters, arguments, loops, and stuff like that. So on Tuesday, we have Francesco join our stream. On Monday, okay, and then Wednesday is Valentine's Day, so we would build the Valentine project. We'll have to figure out what. Then on Monday, I would like to do a make me functional challenge from iCodes. And we could do... Don't we have infinite scroll of one of the projects there? We could do infinite scroll as well. Okay. And I guess, let's see. So do that and then convert. We could also do this. So convert user suggestion app to Vite plus React. We could do these things on Monday. So basically we do JavaScript, React, and Vite. So cool stuff, cool beans on Monday. Then on Thursday we'll have Francesco. Sorry, but butchering your name. He'll discuss about his experience of growing. He blew up on YouTube lately to 50,000 subscribers. So yeah. And we might build something. Another functional challenge. All right. Then we'll have the Valentine project on Wednesday. And we can look into Astro thingy. Or keep it simple and look into CSS view transitions. Yeah, we can do that. Let's keep it simple. CSS view transition. Learn. Okay. Then on Thursday, we should finish our circle shooter game. Right? And that will pretty much take up the whole day because it's very complex. I mean, in order to finish it entirely. Okay. Yeah, that seems about right. And on Friday, let's learn something new. Plus, we plan the next week. So we could look into HTMX. How about that? That looks about right. We have plenty of things to learn and build and have fun with. Okay, good. Goody. That seems about right. Chat, do you have any other suggestions or questions or anything? It's getting tall. I'll have to go soon. It's 12 and I have to catch the train. Haven't been with the train in years, I think. Or did I use it last year? Maybe, for a bit. I'll have to catch a train at 3 and I want to go for a run. I'm hoping for a 10K today. All right. So I think this is it for today. Any questions, let me know. If not, we're going to wrap up. I'm going for a run, and then I'm going to our family this weekend. Will be there, and then next week we'll have a pretty fun. Look at that! Many things to build and learn, and hopefully have fun. That's the goal. Will you come live today evening? No, I'm leaving. We're going. So my wife is already at her parents. I'm also going there, and we'll stay there for 2 days until Sunday. And then Sunday I come home, finish things up for iCodes, because next week will be a sort of a launch week, and then Monday morning I'll plan the content, because I also want to make videos. I've been doing streams, but videos are long form thingies, you know, they remain on YouTube and they go on forever, and I kind of have to do that. So going live is more about learning and building and engaging with the community, but alongside that I also have to work on iCodes to continue to develop it and market it. That's my job right now. So yeah, thank you, bro. All right, thank you everyone for joining. Thanks for helping. Hope you'll enjoy next week with all the fun stuff we're going to learn, and if not, just let me know what you want to see us try, and we can do that. So yeah, have a good day, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Bye.